Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn about commenting in Python. Commenting in Python is very easy and I'm gonna give you a demonstration shortly. So why would you want to comment? Well, it's a very good practice to comment your block of code so that when you go back to your code after a month or a year later, then you know which block does what. And that's why commenting is very important. It might be the easiest part of programming, but it's also very important. So please pay attention and always comment whatever program that you may write in your life. So this is how you comment. You bring up the pound sign and anything you write there will be a comment. So if I type I am a comment, then it is a comment. Now what happens if I hit enter and write something like I am not a comment? As you can see that this is not a comment and we got tons of error over here, red lines and all over, and this is also an operator. So why is that? Well, it is because we have to be in pound sign block in order to be a comment, and pound sign block is a single line comment, so we cannot have multiple line comment using a pound sign. So what is the solution? What if you need to write more than just one line of comment? Can you do that? Is there any solution to this problem? Of course there is a beautiful solution for all the problems that we may face in Python. That's why Python is so beautiful, so powerful. So let me show you how to write multiple line comments. So to write multi-line comments you need triple quote, single quote, triple quote, or double quote, triple quote, like that. So and anything you write in between, let's say I am a multi-line comment. Okay, let me just fix the typo real quick. Now I'm gonna copy this line and I'm gonna paste it over here. Now if I right click and run, then you'll see that our Python parser will not find any error because our Python parser will treat them as comment and will not try to parse them, hence we got no errors. But watch what happens if I remove these triple quotes and try to run it, then we're gonna immediately find that we have some syntax error because our Python parser tried to parse them and it could not do that, hence we got an error. So that's pretty much it about commenting, and it's very simple and very important. So once again I highly recommend that you build a habit of commenting your code so that it becomes easier for you to recognize your block of code and understand what they are doing, what their purpose in your program. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. See you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.